and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're going to do Friday Freebie 76. I thought we'd start off August with something simple and easy and cute and pretty. Okay, so yeah, just something simple and easy and pretty. So it's a little notebook or folio, whatever you want to do with that. Got a couple of paper dolls. It's pretty. Okay, it's 2 pages because that's big, you know. So, and you could print it out half size and it'd be really small and dinky and cute. We've got 2 tags sets, or you can have 4 tags or whatever you want to do. A couple of pockets with a couple of embellishments to go on there. Okay. Super simple and easy today. Quick and easy, super easy, all the easies, okay? So yeah, I like it. It goes well with the Lighthouse journal kit. It does, but you don't have to have that kit if you don't, you know, particularly want to grab that one. That's okay. Got all my stuff cut out here. All my little bits and pieces there, little paper dolls, and my pockets. Okay. All right, it's gonna come together really quick because mostly we just have to fold a few things. Is that cute or what? I cut that one out by hand, and this one was done on the Cricut, so you can see it's a little tiny bit smaller. That's okay. So if you do it on the Cricut, it's going to be that little bit smaller. If not, then, you know, it's going to be that size. Because I cut that one out from a printout. It's my prototype, you know. So, when you fold it, you've got this beautiful scene. Some seagulls and a boat pulled up on the sand. Okay. We've got a couple of pockets here where there are usual ones. We just are going to, yes, they're reprinters. It is what it is, because, yeah. Okay. And we're just going to fold those in. Press it down. Oops, that's pressed down not straight. Better. Yep. So, yeah, you just want to pull it till you can press it down and it's straightish and not showing any of the the fold part, the gusset part. Okay, so we're just gonna do this number. Now you can put them anywhere you want. I just put them on the inside of the cover, sort of in that corner. This corner and this corner, that kind of thing. Okay, and yeah, so we're just gonna put these together. Fun and cute. You can make a bunch of these. They would be a great Happy Mail. They would be a great whatever you want them to be. They're good to stick in a journal. They can become a little mini journal. I mean, whatever. These are stapled in. You don't have to staple them. You can sew that in. Put a little fabric along there if you're planning on it being a journal cover. Oh, you know what I forgot? I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Yep, I forgot it. As per usual. Well, I remember it a little more these days, but golly Bob. Yeah. Okay. Now, we're just going to put this across here. It's cute. And it gives you that little bit of extra strength across there, right? Just like so. Turn it over. Snip it off. Hope you guys are having some fun, crafty things going on. I mean, this is one, but, you know, just saying. it would be okay to have more than one fun crafty thing going on. Let me know what you're doing. I've got so many projects going on right now. You know, I'm working on lots of projects for this kit. And I've got a few more boards that I'm doing. Art boards, wall art, kind of art boards. I've got, I'm still trying that EcoPore stuff. I think that's coming out really good now too. It takes a little bit of practice to, you know, to get things going your way, but it's going my way now, a little better. I'm still working on some things. I'll let you guys see as soon as I get something, you know, done that's worth sharing. But I'm working on something that just might be that thing. This little trinket tray that I'm working on, it might be the thing that I will share. Okay, I got another one here because I think it's going to turn out really cute. I've got some molds that I'm doing some cactus in, and some such and such. Also, one of the boards I'm working on for the lighthouse sort of theme, I had to do at least one, right? Well, I've got some smaller things I've done. Anyways, so I'm working on this board, and I've done some seashells and such from molds with the EcoPore stuff. And I thought, wow, that's really cute. So, you know, so, okay, I'm going to put these in and then we'll put the embellishments on them, because that way you, I don't know, you can do it. If you want them to have, you know, like the little paddle and the basket going this way, and then the basket and paddle going that way, then, you know, what's all that? I don't know what that is. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna put the embellishments on after. I did ink these. I didn't ink these, but did I ink those? I did ink them a little bit, so let me go ahead and do around the edge. But yeah, just making pretty things. You guys will have to let me know what you're crafting. I've got a lot of things that I want to do. Just not enough hours in the day, or enough energy in the old lady. Just saying. Yeah. But we do stuff, right? And then we make a video, and then we have to edit it. So, just saying, that's a thing. That is a thing. That takes a minute to put everything together and make sure the video's, you know, what you want it to be, and cut out some stuff that might have, you know. Yeah, some things I don't cut out because, like with the one incident, and I just kept talking about it because I got wound up over it. So, you know, that kind of thing. If you keep talking about it, you can't cut it out of the video. So, just saying. It's a thing. So, yeah, then you have to leave it in so people know you're not nuts completely. Anyways, we shall not go back to that. All right, now get this little pocket in here. But yeah, this can be a folio. You can put paper in it. You can do whatever you want. It's just a nice little cover that will go really well with the Lighthouse Paper Dolls journal kit. Or it's a good standalone project. You can do whatever you want. I think you can. So, yeah, just lots of fun. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of different crafts, pulling things together here and there, you know. I usually share the things I do like that on my Wednesday, the stitching videos. I usually share them there. So if you haven't seen any of these things that I'm talking about, the board, the wall art boards and stuff like that, check out my Wednesday videos because they're on there. Yep, I did a frame. It was just an old frame that I painted and did stuff to. I'm really happy with that one. It turned out so pretty. And some other boards. So they're really, really a lot of fun to do, and I've been sharing them along as I can as I get them done. So yeah, haven't done any shares on the EcoPore at the time of filming of this video, but that doesn't mean I won't have done one. Just, you know, check out the Wednesday ones. They're kind of a slower paced. It's where I do stitching and stuff, embroidery, all that kind of thing. Yeah. So if you like that, I mean, you know, it all goes together in my mind. Crafting is crafting, and I enjoy most of it. Yeah. So, yeah, there's just that. Now, you can cut these out on sticker paper and do it that way, but it was on a paper where I was cutting out other things, and so, yeah, I just didn't. Yeah. Put our little paddle on there. That way we can get in that boat later. I think our little paper dolls, they kind of just come along to tell the story, don't they? So, yeah. We have these little things and such. Okay. So I'm going to put the paddle on this side on this one. I've got a long staple, whatever you call those, staple thing that I use to staple things together like I'm going to do in just a minute. If you don't have one of those, though, you can do a cutting board. Most of us have a cutting mat, you know. Use a cutting mat, open your stapler all the way up, and staple it down that way. Okay, that's what I used to do before I got this big long one that I'm going to use. So there's that. So what I'm going to do is put this in here. Boy, that's tight, isn't it? I didn't give myself any wiggle room at all, hardly. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here like that and get me a clip to hold it still, and then fold it back out, right? So that I can staple it. So this is the thing I was talking about. It's a long, you know, really long, and you can staple things up to, I don't know, really far, 12 inches it says there. So I don't know what I would want to staple 12 inches, you know, but kind of on a stapler. Let me show you this. On a stapler, you have this thing in here, right there, where the staple comes out. Well, sometimes it comes out towards the back or the front or the middle. When you're doing something like this, or you're doing a whole lot of it, kind of put you a mark there where the staple comes out. Put you something in there and staple it, and put you a mark where the staple comes out, and then you'll know. With this one, I've used it enough to where I know. But if you've got a stapler and you don't know, put you a mark. Use you a Sharpie or something like that. And, yeah. Put you a mark. Because you can get off a little bit. And that kind of messes things up some. Give this a roll. So that we've got it, you know. Super cute. Super cute. Okay. Now, this little paper doll was too narrow this way to put one of my little bitty paper clips in there. So I made her a top loader. Like that. And this one goes on like so. For sure, somewhere on there. Okay, so let's get our other stuff here. We've got these. Now, with these, I just folded them, okay? And that's simple, okay? Really easy to do that. On the other ones, they were on a sheet where I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. And I printed them on a reprinter. So I just folded them together and glued them down so that you do have still a writing space, not as much as if you fold them, but you can do that. So that's what I did with these because I wasn't going to waste them. I mean, gosh, they were already there, right? So, okay. The only thing left to do is to put the trim around the outside, and I'll do that off camera and take my picture and such. But she's done. What do you think of her? Just a cute little notebook. You could make it a folio if you don't want to put paper in. I just use white paper because everything's expensive right now, including ink, and I'm trying to conserve as much as I can because I print a lot. So, anyways, I just was, and this isn't copy paper. It's like from an art book, like where you would do watercolor, that kind of thing. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of oomph to it. But yeah, super cute and fun and easy. That's a good way to start a month, right? Of Friday freebies. Okay, you guys make something pretty today. Seriously, that's very pretty. 2-page freebies on the website, on the Ko-Fi, on the Facebook group page. We are done, guys. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.